Hi, I'm Jill Ramos, and I'm with Coldwell Banker Realty. Are you thinking of having a bathroom or kitchen renovation, or doing flooring and using granite, marble, or quartz? Well, I'm going to let you know the pros and cons of each one. Granite is very durable, and there's a large variety of styles and colors. And the best part about granite is that it's heat resistant, stain resistant, and scratch resistant. The downfall about granite is that you usually have to seal it about one time a year. Marble is a natural stone, and it has a classic look, and there's a large variety of colors and styles. The downfall about marble is that it is porous, and so then it's subject to get stained and damaged by acidic substances or harsh cleaners. Unlike granite, where you only have to seal it once a year, marble you have to seal several times a year. Lastly, quartz is engineered. So it's engineered from 90% ground quartz and 10% resin. Quartz can look just like granite or marble, and there's many styles and colors to choose from. And it is very durable and non-porous, and you do not have to reseal it. The downfall with quartz is that you cannot use high heat with it, and because it can melt the resin and burn it. It can melt the resin and leave burn marks. As far as price, quartz seemed to be the most expensive because there's no upkeep with it, and it is engineered. And the least expensive appeared to be granite. I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.